Maximize household space. Vertical space development. Efficient storage layout. Multifunctional furniture design. Space-saving interior arrangements. Smart space utilization. Optimize indoor corners.
Give it to me like.
Hidden storage solutions. Rational, compact home planning. Make full use of idle areas.